Good morning, class. As we are doing chapter number 7, cubes and cube root. In first video, we have discussed about cubes. In second video, we have discussed about cube root. Okay. Now in this video, we will discuss exercise 7.2. Question number 1. Your first question is find the cube roots of the following number by prime factorization method. You have to find the cube root. Okay. By which method? Prime factorization method. Okay. Your A part is 64. Okay, class. You have to show the prime factorization method also. Okay. Now we will solve it. We will find the prime factor of 64. Okay. You know that 64 is a even number. 2, 3 just, we will divide it by 2. 2, 3 just 6. 2, 2 just 4. Again you can see that this is a even number. You will divide it by 2. 2, 1 just 2. 2, 6 just 12. Okay. This is a even number. Again you will divide it by 2. 2, 8 just 16. Again 2. 2, 4 just 8. Again 2. 2, 2 just 4. Again 2. 2, 1 just 2. Okay. Now you have to write root 64 is equals to root 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Okay, class. Now what you will do next? You know that these two are forming the triplet and these two are forming the triplet. Okay. It means that you will write 2 multiply 2. 2 to the 4. 64 is the cube root of 4. Okay, class. Now we will do second B part. B part. 512. Okay. Again you have to solve it by prime factorization method. Okay, you know that this number is even number. You will divide it by 2. 2 to the 4. 2 5 the 10. 2 6 the 12. Again 2. 2 1 the 2. 2 to the 4. 2 8 the 16. Again 2. 2 6 the 12. 2 4 the 8. Again 2. 2 3 the 6. 2 2 the 4. Again 2. 2 1 the 2. 2 6 the 12. Again 2. 2 8 the 16. Again 2. 2 4 the 8. Again 2. 2 2 the 4. Again 2. 2 1 the 2. Okay. You will write 512 is equals to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2. You can see that these two are forming the triplet, these two are forming the triplet, and these two are forming the triplet. It means that 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. The cube root of 512 is 8. Okay class? This is your answer. Okay? You have to show the prime factorization method also. Okay? Now you have to do third part by yourself. Now I will explain you fourth part. Okay? Now your fourth part is 27,000. Okay class? You have to solve this by prime factorization method. You can see that this is a even number. You will divide it by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10, 0, 0. Again 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 7 is 14, 2 5 is 10, 0. Again 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 2 7 is 14, 2 5 is 10. Now you can see that this number is odd number. You cannot divide this number by 2. Then from which number you have to divide it by this? From which you have to divide this number? You can see that 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 5 18. You know that 18 comes in the table of 3. So you will divide it by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15. Again, you can add this number 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. You can divide it by 3. 3 9, 3 3 is 9, 3 7 is 21, 3 5 is 15. Again, you can divide this number by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15. Now you can see that when we are adding this number, the sum of this number is not dividing by 3. Now you have to divide it by 5. 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25. Again 5, 5 1, 5 5 is 25. Again 5, 5 1 is 5. Okay class? Now you have to write here 27,000. 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 5 multiplied 5 multiplied 5. Okay class? You can see that these two are forming the triplet, these three are forming the triplet, and these 5 are forming the triplet. You will write 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 5. Okay, 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30. So cube root of 27,000 is 30. Okay class, this is your D part of question number 1. Now you have to do fifth part yourself. I will explain you sixth part. Okay. Now your sixth part is 13,824. Okay class. Solution. You have to solve it by prime factorization method. 13,824. This is a even number. You will divide it by 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 9 are 18. 2 1 are 2. 2 2 are 4. Again 2. 2 3 are 6. 2 4 are 8. 2 5 are 10. 2 6 are 12. Again 2. 2 1 are 2. 2 7 are 14. 2 2 are 4. 2 8 are 16. Again 2. 2 8 are 16. 2 6 are 12. 2 4 are 8. Again 2. 2 4 are 8. 2 3 are 6. 2 2 are 4. Again 2. 2 2 are 4. 2 1 are 2. 2 6 are 12. Again 2. 2 1 are 2. 0, because 1 is smaller than 2. You have to take both the number. 2 8 are 16. Again 2. 2 5 are 10. 2 4 are 8. Again 2. 2 2 are 4. 2 7 are 14. Okay, now I am solving this method here. Okay, 27. Now you can see that this number is a odd number, so you cannot divide it by 2. You can add these two numbers. 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. It means that it can divide by 3. 3 9 ja 27. 3 3 ja 9. 3 1 ja 3. Okay class. Now you have to write root 13,824. Okay. Again root. You have to write this number here. 2 multiply 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 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now you can see that these two are forming the triplet, these two are forming the triplet, these two are forming the triplet, and these three are forming the triplet. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. 24 is the answer. Cube root of 13,824 is 24. Okay class. Now I will explain you 8th part. 7th part you have to do yourself. Okay. Now 8th part. 46,656. Okay class. Solution. You have to solve it by prime factorization method. You have to write 46,656. It is even number. You can divide it by 2. 2 2 2 is 4. 2 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6. 2 2 is 4. 2 8 is 16. Again 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 6 is 12. 2 6 is 12. 2 4 is 8. Again 2. 2 5 is 10. 2 8 is 16. 2 3 is 6. 2 2 is 4. Again 2. 2 2 is 4. 2 9 are 18, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. Again 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8, 2 5 are 10, 2 8 are 16. Again 2, 2 7 are 14, 2 2 are 4, 2 9 are 18. Now you can see that this number is a odd number. You can add this number. 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 7 18. You can see that 18 comes in the table of 3. You will divide it by 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. Again 3, 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3. I am solving this here, okay? 3 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 21. Again 3 3 9 ja 27. Again 3 3 3 ja 9. Again 3 3 1 ja 3. Okay class? Now you have to write here. 46,656. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Okay class, you can see that these twos are forming the triplet and these two are forming the triplet and these three are forming the triplet and these three are forming the triplet. Okay, now 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. 36 is the answer. The cube root of the 46,656 is 36. Okay class? This is your 8th part. Now I will explain you 10th part. You have to do 9th part yourself. Okay? Your 10th part is 91,125. Okay? Solution. You have to solve it by prime factorization method. 91,125. Okay class? You can see that it is a odd number. Okay? 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 2 13, 13 plus 5 18. You can see that this number can be divided by 3. Okay? 3 3 is 9, 0, 3 3 is 9, 3 7 is 21, 3 5 is 15. Again 3, 3 1 is 3, 0, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15. Again 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9, 3 7 is 21, 3 5 is 15. Again 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15. Again 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 7 is 21, 3 5 is 15. Again 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15. Now you can see that this number can't can't be divided by 3. You have to divide it by 5. 5 to the 10, 5 5 is 25. Again 5, 5 5 is 25. Again 5, 5 1 is 5. Okay class. Now you have to write here root 91,125. Three multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. You can see that these 3 are forming the triplet, these 3 are forming the triplet, these 5 are forming the triplet. Now you will write 3 multiply 5. 3 3 is 9, 9 5 is 45. Answer is 45. The cube root of 91,125 is 45. Okay class, this was your question number first. Some part I have explained you, some part you have to do by yourself. Okay, now we will discuss question number second. Okay class. Now your question number 2 is state true or false. Okay class, your first part is cube of any odd number is even. Okay, your first part is cube of any odd number is even. This is false because cube of any odd number is always odd. Okay, I have told you, if we multiply odd number by itself 3 times, it will comes odd only. Okay, you can see here, if we multiply 3 by itself 3 times, it will comes 9. You can see here, cube of odd number is coming odd. Okay, that's why your first part is false. Okay, now your second part is a perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. Second part is a perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. Okay, it is true. Why it is true? Because a perfect cube ends with 3 zeros. You can solve it. If you multiply 10 by itself 3 times, it will come 1000. Okay, you can see that a perfect cube ends with 3 zeros, not 2 zeros. In the question it is given that a perfect cube does not, okay, end with 2 zeros. That's why this statement is true. Now your third part is, if a square of a number ends with 5, then its cube ends with 25. Okay, if a square of a number ends with 5, then its cube ends with 25. You can see that if we multiply 5 itself 2 times. Okay class, because in this number it is given square. Okay, then it will come 25. But when you will multiply 15 by itself 3 times, it will come 3375. You can see that square of 5 is end with 25, but the cube of any number cube of 15 does not end with 25. Okay. Then this statement is false. Okay class. Now D, fourth part. Okay. There is no perfect cube which ends with 8. Okay. There is no perfect cube which ends with 8. This statement is false. Why it is false? Because when you multiply 12 by itself 3 times, it will come 1728. Okay class, you can see that in the end there is a 8. Okay, then the question is there is no perfect cube which ends with 8. You can see that this is a perfect cube which ends with 8. That's why this statement is also false. Okay. Now E, fifth part. Fifth part is the cube of 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number. The cube of 2-digit number. Suppose we will take example 10. Okay. When we will multiply 10 by itself 3 times, it will come 1000. You can see that when we multiply when there is a 2-digit number, they have a 4-digit number, not 3-digit number. That's why this statement is also false. Okay class. Now your sixth part is the cube of a 2-digit number may have 7 or more digits. Okay class. Your sixth part is the cube of 2-digit number. Suppose take example 99. When you will multiply 99 when you will multiply 9 by itself 3 times, it will come 970,299. Okay, 9,70,229. Okay, you can see that when the cube of 2-digit number have only 6 digits. Okay, not more than 6 digits. In the question it is given that the cube of a 2-digit number may have 6 or more digits. Okay, but you can see that there is a 6 digit. That's why it is false. Okay class. Now your seventh part is the cube of a single digit number may be a single digit number. Okay, the cube of a single digit number may be a single digit number. You can see that single digit number is 1. The cube of 1 is 1. 2. The cube of 2 is 8. You can see that the cube of a single digit number is single digit. Okay class. That's why this statement is true. Okay class. This is your question number second. 3 comes in the cube of 7. Okay. When you multiply 7 3 times, it will come 343. Okay. You can see that 3 is the unit place. Okay. Now you can take 4. You know that you will take less number than 4. Okay. If we will take 1 cube of 1, it will come 1 is less than 4. Okay. Suppose you will take 2 cube of 2. You know that 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. It is greater than 4. Okay. That's why you will not take 2. Okay. Here is 1. Okay class. You have to take this 1 and this, you know that this 3 comes in the cube of 7. Okay, you have to write 7. Okay, the cube root of 4913 is 17. Okay class. Now we will solve for 12,167. Okay class, we will take this 3 number and this 2 number. Okay, in this you can see that in the unit place there is a 7, in which this 7 come, in this cube the 7 come, it comes in the 3. Okay, when we multiply 3 by itself 3 times, it comes 27. You can see that its unit, in unit place there is a 7. Okay class. Now you will take this 12. You will take 12. You know that you will see that which cube is smaller than 12. It is 2 की power 3. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 is smaller than 12. Okay class, you can see that. Then you will take 3 from here at unit digit, and at 10 digit you will take 2. Okay class, it will 23. 23 will be the cube root of 12,167. Okay, the cube root of 12,167 is 23. Okay class. Now we will discuss fourth part. Your next part is 32,768. Okay, you will take this 3 digit and this 2 digit. You can see that 8 is the in unit digit. Okay, so what you have to do, in which cube 8 comes, it comes in the 2. 2 की power 3 is equals to 8. Okay, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Okay class. And in 32, what you will do, you will see that by multiplying its number 3 times, which will be less than 32. What number? It will be 3. Okay class, you see that 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27. 27 is smaller than 32. Okay, that's why at unit place you will take this 2, and in tens place you will write 3. Okay, the cube root of 32,768 is 32. Okay class. Thank you class.